Hello guys, welcome back. So finally we have reached to the end of the course. So in this Godot basic course, we have seen how to download and run the Godot engine. We have seen the basic of using the editor and its layout. We have also seen basically how to create a basic simple scene and how to attach a node to it. Then we have seen how to create a GD script, and then we have basically covered the basic syntax of using a GD script. Now that if you have covered this course, so you may have now the basics of the basically the foundation of how to use a GD script. And in the later courses that I'm making, we'll be starting with a very basic 2D game. And after that, we'll look into the 3D and some complex stuff as well. So keep watching, and if you like this course, then hit a like button, subscribe to my channel, and thanks a lot for watching my videos. Thank you.